nature preserve whose highlight is a stunning rock formation and waterfall in a cave. It was used by Native Americans as a hideout in the 17th century, and then for weddings in the 19th century. Dover Stone Church's highlight is a metamorphic rock cavern in the shape of a church's cathedral window with a cascading waterfall through the cave's interior. The Stone Church Brook, a tributary of the 10-mile river, flows through and out the cavern entrance. Local legend tells of the church serving briefly as a hiding place for Pequot sachem Sassacus. The Pequot were a Native American tribe who inhabited much of present-day Connecticut, who came into armed conflict with a coalition of British and Mohegan in 1636. Following the Mystic Massacre and Pequot War, the few surviving Pequot fled with Sassacus, seeking safe haven in New York. While there's no evidence that Sassacus actually took refuge in the church, it's not beyond the realm of possibility, and the story is popular in the Dover community. Sassacus himself would make it further into New York but would ultimately be killed by Mohawk, his scalp sent back to Connecticut as a show of good faith to the British.